Hi, my name is Elia and now I'm presenting the answers to evidence 1 of effective lecture seminars. The first point I want to talk about is the 15 graphic elements that can be used in a presentation. They can be a point, which is the most basic element in graphic, or it can be a line. A line are 2 points connected. Then it can be shape, form, tone, color, font, texture, figure ground, cropping, contrast, hierarchy, scale, proportion, and pattern. Each one has its own definition, like hierarchy, which goes front, which goes back, which first, which last, and cropping, like cropping a photograph for only you focus in an image. Erase everything and only focus in this place, in this place, in this place, for example. Scale, like for example, big here, small here, etc. And now I'm going to talk about the relation between planning, types of presentations, communication skills, and type of audience for an effective presentation. But first, I'm going to talk about planning. What is planning? Planning is to define contents and activities, and how you make the best of them. You do this is practice a lot and create a lot of visual aids. The next thing is types of presentations, which they can be informative presentations. You must keep it brief and to the point. Facts are very important, and for example, these are the news, which they are informative presentations. The other are persuasive. You want the audience to do something specific. For example, trying to persuade some investors to a project you want to do. The third one is goodwill. Seek to build goodwill. For example, make people feel better. Example, an event where the company celebrates 50 years in the market. The next is multi-purpose. Like it says, name is for more than one purpose, and you need to have everything hierarchically organized. For example, a dinner where you give awards to your workers and present a new project, a new manager, a new etc., a new president. The other type of presentation is instructional, is to deliver new knowledge to the audience, like in a presentation to teach how to use a new machine in work. The next is arousing. You make the people to care about a certain situation. Example, contamination in the city. You make people care about the contamination in the city. The other type of presentation is decision making, call for an action. An example, telling people how they can contribute to clean the city or maintain a cleaner city. And there are other presentations to reach specific goals, like goals in sales in a company, like sales company, stores, etc. The other things I want to talk about is communication skills that are very important to transmit in a better way your message. The skills are verbal, like face-to-face, telephone, radio, TV, etc. There are non-verbal, like body language, gestures, the way you act, dress. There are also letters, sorry, and there are the other type of skill communication is written, in which there are the letters, email, WhatsApp, etc. The type of audience plays also a huge role, like unaware, indifferent, favorable, and unfavorable. All these match together, and you must to increase effectivity by knowing each of these definitions. This increase the effectivity and the way you transmit your message. A reflection of skills to be improved for future presentations are like, for me, in verbal skills, rhythm, pace, volume of voice, pitch, and also visualizations, use more shapes, graphs, etc. And in three that I already have our written skills in Spanish, good dress, good posture, standing up. Thank you.